Hey guys, welcome back to QuickLearn. And for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play songs in order and stop them from being randomized. This video will be very easy, so make sure to watch until the end. And also, make sure that you like this video for more helpful tech content. So, if your Spotify has been playing randomized songs and you want to get rid of them, you've come to the right video. Let's get started. The first step is opening Spotify. Go to your playlist that you want to not randomize, and then once you play it here, as you can see, there's a shuffle button. Now the shuffle button, it mixes all of your songs and plays them randomly. So just tap on that and it's gonna be gone. But I'm sorry to say, you're gonna need premium if you want to unshuffle it on your phone. But I think when you do it on PC, it doesn't get shuffled. So I hope this video helped. Please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.